Here we learn how to unpack variables. This program tells about it is taking the four parameters through argv parameter. When we run the program Python unpacking underscore variables.py, it will throw error because internally the program is accepting the four different parameters. So the whatever program name like unpacking underscore variables.py itself first the script, it is taken as a script. So we can change this to adding something like chulbul pond as another parameters like argument vector. So it is considering the script is called unpacking variables.py, and the first variable chul and second variable bull and third variable is ponding.